Welcome back to the shop. We got more truck parts. That's right. Good. A big shout out to Steve from North American Trailer, hooked me up with the wishbone and these awesome minimized fenders. Thanks a lot, man. I appreciate it.
We got the bushings in. We got that front leaf spring bushing. That's, I don't know, right up in there. And then the other one over in here. So now we're going to change out this wishbone right here. $15. And I got a 15 there. Out. I love this drill, this impact. It is nice. Now we gotta get a deep well. Come on. I ain't gonna jinx myself. I'm not going to jinx myself. Big hammer. Ooh, pry bar. Here we go. Okay. Let's see if we can screw it out. What happened? That worked. Okay. Now, oh, I was gonna paint this before I did this, but oh well. I don't know. Anyhow, let's get this out. Okay, that one's coming a little bit tougher, so I'll do this. What's going on with this thing? turns, then I ain't too worried about it. Oh yeah, it turns. All right, perfect. But we're gonna put the sticker up so that I can take it off. Okay, this is actually pretty easy. All right, where's our favorite juicy juice? Oh, the copper stuff. Yeah, you know, I'm not putting new bolts back on, but I don't have them. After this, we'll put bolts back in on the upper parts of the spring hangers, like I was going to a couple episodes ago. That's interesting. And all the Ooga Doogas. I don't need you anyhow. Now I notice on this, there's a little bit of a gap here. So I wonder if that means this was, well, I'm going to get this thing aligned once at some point. But I wonder if it was, well, I'm sure it wasn't in alignment with those bushings the way it was. And it's done. All right. Now, yes, I just got to use the bolts that I bought. Okay. Huh. I don't have bolts? Or I got bolts, I don't have nuts. What the? Kidding me? I went and got bolts, but I didn't get nuts. Where are we going to put these? Should we hide them? Or put them on the outside? I'm going to put them on the inside with the nut. That's got to come out. I need washers and nuts. 3/4. But we're not just doing this. We're doing this. We're going to take one of these with us. That way we know we have the right one. Alrighty, back from town with our bolts. Of course, I don't know, whatever bolt I had. Yeah, here's the bolt I was going to take with me sitting on my bench, but pretty sure I got 3/4, so that's what I needed. Get these put on. And there's the boss. I'm going to work on a school project today. The nuts were $1.89 a piece. So if I had got 10 of them, it would have been 18 bucks, or I could have got 20 of them for, I think it ended up being 26 and some change, or 24 and some change. I had 24.65. That's what it was. So I just bought 20 of them. Sure, I'll end up needing them somewhere. With all the, look at those. All right, one more. Oh boy. I don't know if it's taking it out of my drill or out of the impact, but there is tiny shavings coming from somewhere. I think it might be off the sockets here. All right, bolts are in. I think now we go to the hitch. I gotta think of how I want to do this. If I put these on, bring them out here far enough, I can include them onto all of this. But I don't know if I want to include them onto all of this. I'm going to do some thinking, and I'll come back to you. Turn you back on when I figure it out.